The next effect that we're going to look at is the distort effect. And now the distort effects comes with 3 different presets. So let's look at them. I'm going to first create some shapes here. Let's give it a different fill color. So with this selected, I'm going to select the distort command, and it's either the shadow command, so select distort, and then you can see you have 3 different commands here. So we have the push and pull distortion, we have the zipper distortion, and lastly we have the twister distortion. Now we'll realize from the names that they all work the same, so they work according to the names that they've been given. So I'll select the push and pull distortion for this one. From the center, click and drag. So you can click and drag from either direction, and you can see the effect that I'm creating. So basically it's affecting the edges of the shape, and I've created this really cute shape over here. So you can use this when creating images, illustration, logos, even in CorelDRAW. Now with the second one selected, I'm going to select the zipper distortion. So just click and drag, and I'm doing this from the side. You can see it creates this saw-like effect at the edge. So from the name zipper, you can see the kind of saw-like effect that's going on around at the edges. So let's select the third one, and we have the twisted distortion. Again, if I click and drag, so with this you twist it like so. You can see what I'm working with. So let me hit Ctrl Z. Let's do that again, this time from the center. You can see it basically takes the shape and twist it. You can go back, you can make changes, you can move this around, so you create something that looks like this. Let me just deselect. So this is just an example of what you can do with the distort effect in CorelDRAW. In order for you to realize its full potential, you need to go ahead and with each of these commands we have over here, it has its own properties. So go ahead and look at each of these properties and see how each one of them can be applied to a shape, and how you can further enhance illustrations in CorelDRAW.